What I'm switching out the Genie bidet with, I'm gonna see just how this one works. So basically the same idea. This one has a twist to make it function, and this one has almost the same thing. It's just a push lever thing that clicks back into spot. The Brondell comes with everything you need. Basically the setup the same as all the other ones I've ever used. Even comes with little Teflon tape. It's a real slim design. I think it's the slimmest of any I have so far. I have 3 different bidets in this house. That's kind of why I want to try this one. The part that hooks to the toilet is exactly the same size. Actually, it's going to go like that. So all I'm going to do is disconnect. Actually, I will just disconnect that, pop this off, and then pop the other one on, and I'll use all this new material for when I move this one to my other bathroom. Before you get working on this too much, a good thing to do is to turn off your water. I have these quarter turn valves. The ones that unscrew almost always have problems, and these do not cost much more. So if you get a chance, replace all your valves with these little cheapo ones. They're way better. This Genie bidet also has this cool valve to shut off the water to the bidet. I've been using this Genie bidet, very easy to use. It's got a female and an everybody else setting. Works just like pretty much every other one of these bidets. Simple setup. Works pretty good. The stream can sometimes be a little painful on this one, so we're going to try a different one. To remove or install bidet is pretty easy. Just pop these up, use a little screwdriver to get those up, and then you've got to get a hold of underneath and unscrew it or untwist it, but you need a screwdriver to hold it in place up here. That's what I'm talking about on the bottom. So basically, I'm just undoing that. Probably gonna be a little bit of water come out of there, and that's it. This is also the best time to clean and make sure under the lid is clean. If you got little kids, I guarantee it's gonna be messy. It's just a matter of lining this up and straightening it out. I like these back as far as I can get them, and then you just line those up to hold them in place. This one is extremely slim. Since it cinch it down good, I get one hand on the other side and hold it tight, and then use the screwdriver to tighten that down, and then just clip those down. That's what you got. Pretty nice fit. Now I'm going to connect this on and see how she works. I used up a little bit of Teflon on there, and then it's just tighten it down. It does need to be good and tight so that thing seats. So I'm kind of pulling that down to set it straight in there so the gasket inside can sit. And I'm going to crank it just a little bit with the plastic wrench. That's what you end up with. And it isn't as solid as the other ones, but it looks like it's going to be pretty easy to work. I'm going to turn this back on so we have flow. And when you think you've broken it, remember that you also got to turn that one back on. On, and now we're going to try it. This is the clean function. And then the other one is the bidet function. It works well, and she's got a lot of force. Now it's all just installed, but I wanted to make a note. The Brondell has a rubber gasket right there, which I think is going to keep this from slipping much better than my old one, which had nothing and did slide around